Hi.
Hi, are you sure you can prepare for product based companies through this course?
Yes, sitting at home?
No way!
Yes, way. Don't delay. Enroll now.
Geeks learning together.
Hi guys, and welcome back to this amazing channel. This is Abhinav. Today we are back with our next problem of the day. This is Abhinav, and the problem today is given a linked list of 0, 1, and 2, and 3, and we have to sort it. So it's a basic a problem where simply you have to sort a linked list, and which are 0, 1, and 2. Okay, it's a easy problem. First of all, please let me know if I'm clearly audible and visible to you all. We're gonna start. Hi Risit, how are you? So let me set the screen. So problem is very clear. We have a linked list of 0, 1, and 2. We have to sort it. Just like here, you can see if this is the linked list. After sorting, first all the zeros will come, then all the ones will come, then all the twos will come. Okay, that we will have. So let's say that the linked list that is given to you is something like this. Okay, so the linked list that is given to you is something like this. There is a 1, then a 2, a 0, a 1, a 2, 1, 0, 2, and then null. So after sorting it will become like 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, and then null, as there are three ones, three twos, and two zeros. Okay, so this is how it will look like. Okay, so guys, what we will do, first of all, we will iterate through the linked list and we will count how many zeros, ones, and twos are there. Okay, that's a very basic way of solving this problem. Okay, so what we will do, first of all, we will iterate and we will check how many ones, zeros, ones, and twos, and three are there. So let's say we have a counter of ones, twos, and zeros there. Okay, so what we will do have, we will be having a counter int zeros, ones, and twos. Okay, and initially they all will be zero. Initially they all are zero. Now we will have a current node, and while current is not equal to null, what we will do is we will check if current data is equal to zero, increase zero, else if that data is equal to 1, increase ones, or else increase twos. Fine. So now we know how many zeros, ones, and twos are there. Is this much clear, guys? Please let me know. Now what we will do, we will create a new linked list. Let's say a new head. Okay, this is the previous head. And with this new head, what we'll do, I will first take this new head as zero, let's say, as zero. So I will start from zero. Now from this zero, at this zero, I will then add new nodes. Okay. So first of all, I will add number of zeros, number of ones, number of twos. Okay. So what I will do is, so first of all, I will create a new node. So let's say uh, node n head is equal to new node with a value 0. Okay. Now first of all, I will have a loop which will run how many number of times? Zeros number of times, which will run zeros number of times, and this will basically add this much number of zeros after this new node. Okay, so I will have a current pointer. So I have already taken a current. I will make this current equal to head node. Okay, so now this current will point towards here. Now each time what I will do, each time I will create a new node here. Let's say new node means a n node. I will create it. I will give it the value 0, as we are first adding zeros. Okay, so a new node with the value 0 is created. Let's say it's here. This is a new node with the value 0, and now we'll connect that new node with this current. So I will make current dot next is equal to n node, means new node. So this will be connected, and now I will also move current to the next node. So my current will come to the next node. So current dot next is equal to end node, and now current will also move to the current next node. So this is how what we are doing. This is how in this new node. So you maybe you will think that Abhinav, how there is an extra zero. We will remove that extra zero at the last. We have just taken it so that it should not be a null linked list. Okay, I will remove that extra zero at the last. So because we have two zeros, with this method we will add two zeros after it. With this method we will add two zeros after that zero. Now we will add three ones. So now we will take a loop with the same thing, but now we are adding ones. And similarly, at the last, we will also add twos. Because there were three ones will be added, and then three twos will be added. Okay, this is how it will be done. And at the last, as we have to remove this first zero, we will simply make our n head move one apart. So we'll move our n head forward by one to remove that first node, and then simply return that head. This is a method. Is it somehow clear, guys? Uh, यहाँ पे I am not increasing our current. And you can see our problem is solved successfully. So this is how, guys, we are solving this particular problem. Again, I will repeat what we are doing. I will also share the code with you guys. We can do that also, Risit, but it's not preferred. Okay, because when we have to manipulate it, there are lots of change in uh, values also, because you cannot just change the values, you have to change the pointer also. You cannot just simply change the values. Okay, so this is a fine method that we can do. Okay, see, Stark, you can see the expected time and space complexity. So expected time and space complexity is order of n only. That means the efficient method is order. So because this expected time and space complexity, which is written in GFG, if you are achieving that, that means it's the best one. If you will see in other also, okay, other comments also, you will see the solution. Most of them are order of n only. So this is the best method that we are using in this particular problem. Okay, we are first counting the each frequency, and then we are giving the notes. Because what we do in like what we do in, I can say, array. In array we use the swapping method, the two pointers method, but that we cannot implement here easily. That is why it's better to use this method only. Okay, clear? Great, guys. So I hope that you have got this particular problem. Let's meet again tomorrow next weekend. Till then, thank you. Happy good and take care. Bye bye. Good night. GFG कर लो, हो जाएगा.